today's lab, if you want to do it at home, you're just going to need a little bit of ice, a piece of potato, about half a small beaker full of oil. If you have a small cup you can use, that works fine as well. And then about half a beaker full of water, and another half a beaker full of water. Once again, you can just use normal kitchen cups for this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ice, size and shape doesn't matter, and we're going to drop it into the oil and let it melt for a little while. While that guy is melting and doing this thing, which I really should have broken chunk off so we see what it does. Oh, look at that. It sinks right to the bottom. So we're going to leave the rest of our little X-Wing fighter in there, let it melt for a little while we do the rest of the lab. Next, this works best if you have food dye. I unfortunately do not have food dye, so we're just going to wing it. We're going to take our salt and we're going to mix into one beaker. And we're going to mix until it's dissolved and the water is cloudy. We want to make this super saturated and super salty. And we're almost there. Regular table salt will work a little better than sea salt for this, because of course sea salt, the larger particles are, it takes longer to dissolve. We're going to see if that was good enough, because it is slightly cloudy. So I'm going to just gently pour down my spout. And the goal here is I'm trying to layer the fresh water on top of the salt water without it mixing too much. I went a little bit faster at the end. Let's see if I did this right. We're now going to take our potato and gently drop it in. And if I did it correctly, it would have floated between the two. So let's try this one more time. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to upload a second video after I fully dissolve the salt, so you don't have to sit there and listen to me squeaking it the whole time.